Ever notice how big skincare brands seem to know exactly what to recommend? Here's why. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how brands like Garnier use quizzes to boost conversions. This is Garnier's skincare quiz. It asks visitors a few simple questions like gender, skin type, top skin concern, whether you wear makeup or not, your personal details, and then delivers personalized product recommendations. It keeps people on the website longer, captures valuable customer data, and quietly boosts conversions while feeling helpful, not salesy. Now let me show you how you can create the same kind of experience using Outgrow. Start with the Outgrow AI Assistant and ask it to generate a skincare quiz containing at least 4 to 5 questions with different products or suggestions as the final outcomes. In seconds, it generates a complete quiz draft, including questions, answer options, and logic. Then it will ask you for the branding guidelines and welcome screen image. After you enter, proceed, and it will generate a live link for you. But AI is just the starting point. The real customization happens inside Outgrow. Once the draft is ready, head to the Build tab. This is where you can edit every question, such as skin type, skin concerns, and preferences to fit your exact use case. Want fewer questions, different wording, new options? Just click on the question and update. For each question, make sure you use high-resolution images from the question settings. Next, create personalized product recommendations, just like Garnier. Under the Edit Products section, you can edit the product name, description, images, tags, prices, and CTAs. Now comes the smart part, product mapping. You can map favorable products under the recommendations section by clicking on Map Products by selecting the tag such as oily skin, and click on Map Products. So every recommendation feels intentional and personalized. And to make sure everything matches your brand, head to the Overall Design tab. Here you can customize the entire quiz based on your branding guidelines, including your logo, brand colors, fonts, images, and overall look and feel. So whether your brand is bold, minimal, or luxury, the quiz fits right in. To gather the personal details, you can click on the lead generation icon, then the recommendations form to add the fields such as full name and email address. Now, simply click on Go Live to generate the live URL. And that is how you turn a simple AI-generated quiz into a fully branded, personalized, conversion-ready experience, giving personalized product recommendations using Outgrow. Ready to get started? Start your 7-day free trial today and create interactive quizzes that engage, personalize, and convert.